What's the meaning of broody? Broody. Broody.
Broody. Broody. The term broody refers to a state of mind or behavior in certain animals, especially birds, where they feel the urge to sit on their eggs and hatch them. This behavior is typically associated with female birds who have an increased level of hormones that stimulate maternal instincts. A broody bird will often become restless, agitated and protective towards their eggs. They may also stop laying new eggs and go without food or water for extended periods of time. In summary, being broody means having an intense maternal instinct and showing behaviors related to incubation and protection of eggs.